We're going to take a look at how to evaluate a piecewise function. And these always look really scary until you understand what's going on. And then you realize that it's really not all that intimidating. And it's just a matter of kind of looking at it, really, for the most part. So this function says that when x is less than or equal to -2, f of x equals 4. And then when x is greater than -2 and less than or equal to 1, f of x is negative x minus 1 squared. And when x is greater than 1, f of x equals 3. So it gives us these three, it wants us to evaluate it at -4, 0, and 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to look and see which interval the number in the parentheses falls in. So -4 would fall into this one when x is less than or equal to -2. -4 is less than or equal to -2. So we go from here and that tells us what the answer is. That's all there is. So now looking at the second one, we want when f is 0. That falls in this interval right here. 0 is between -2 and 1. So that means we just have to plug 0 into this equation for x. So let's see, that would be -0 minus 1 squared, which is -1 squared. Remember, you want to square that inside the parentheses. So we have -1. So our answer is -1. And then, looking at this third one, we want when f equals 1. This one's kind of tricky because 1 is in two of these intervals. But notice that this is just greater than, and this is greater than or equal to. So we're still looking at this second interval here. So plugging in 1 here, we have -1 minus 1 squared. So that's going to be -0 squared, which is just 0. So there you go. That's how you evaluate piecewise functions.